In this video, I'll walk you through how to use the mockup generator feature in Pacdora. To get started, go to the official Pacdora website. I've put the link in the description below for your convenience. Once you're on the site, click the login button and create your account. After your account is set up, click on the mockup generator. This will show you all the mockups available in their library. Each mockup is organized into categories and subcategories on the left side of the screen. If you can't find a specific mockup, use the search function to locate it. For example, if I want to design this box mockup, I'll just click on it, and the mockup will load in a new workspace. After a short wait, you'll see the mockup is ready. There are several controls for this mockup. You can zoom in or out, rotate it 360 degrees, and use the open and close animation at the bottom of the screen. To design or edit it, you can either work directly in Pacdora or download a die-line file. If you prefer to design in Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator, just click on the Download Die-Line option and pick either AI Die-Line or PDF Die-Line, then click Download. This will start downloading the die-line file. You can create your design outside Pacdora and upload the image here. If I want to upload a design, I'll click Upload and choose an image from my computer. The image I just uploaded is one I prepared earlier. Click on this and place it at the top. As you can see, the box text has been added, and you also have different elements you can add to your design. Suppose you want to add some text. You can easily do this by clicking the text option and typing your text. There are more customization options too. You can add different shapes and symbols by simply clicking on them. Next, there are inspiration tabs, where you can browse a variety of patterns. You can pick any pattern from here. Let's say I choose this one. As you can see, it gets added to the design. We've selected the outside, so the pattern is applied to the outside. If I want to add a color to the inside, I just click on it. Here, you'll see the packaging color option. I'll pick the color gray. As you can see, the color is now applied to the design. Once you're happy with your changes, save your design by clicking Save. Your mockup design will be saved, and you'll be taken back to your workspace. Here, you can view the mockup you designed. You can also change the size of your mockup, either in inches or millimeters. You can adjust everything from the length to the width and height. Next, there's the AI design option. Here, you can get inspiration for your box mockups by entering a prompt. The AI will then create a design for you. Let's look at the background. If you want to change it, you can pick from different options. You can choose gradients or a solid color. If you want to create an AI-generated background, just click the AI option. To make an AI background, give it a prompt, and the AI will generate a background for your mockup. You can also upload a custom image from your computer, which will be added as your custom background. Next, let's talk about videos. If you want to animate your mockup, there are several templates to choose from. Just pick one and your video will be animated in that style. As you can see, it looks really nice. If you're happy with your design in the mockup generator itself, you can click Super Export. Here, you can select the ratio you want to download the image in. For example, if I want it in 16:9, I'll select that and rotate it a bit. Then, you have format and quality options. You can pick JPG, PNG, and different qualities like 2K, 4K, or 8K. Choose what works for you, click Render and Export, and your mockup will be downloaded. Finally, there's the die line. You can select either the artwork file or the die line file. For designing outside Pacdora, you can pick any format, from AI to PDF to DXF. If you have videos like the example I showed, you can pick any of these templates, select the format and quality, and export it. You also get the code option, and you can share the link to your design with your team. When you're done with the design, you can open your file in 3D modeling software. Here, you'll find the 3D design option. Just click on it. In 3D modeling software, you can create different scenes for your mockup, like you see here. If you have various scenes, you can pick anyone, and that scene will be created for your mockup. As you can see, it looks really cool. This is the scene for the mockup. And if I want to download it, I just click Super Render, select my format and quality, and download it from here. That covers the mockup generator. For pricing, you can pick monthly or yearly. If you choose yearly, you get an extra 43% off. Plus, I'll share a coupon code for an extra 20% off on top of that 43%. So, you can pick any plan, Light, Pro, or Business. You can see the price for each plan. Light is $9, Pro is $17, and Business is $59. You can also check what features each plan offers. When you've decided which plan you want, just click Buy Now or Upgrade. You'll go to the checkout page. On the left, you'll find an option to add a promo code. Just click it, enter the code TECH, and click Apply. After a short wait, you'll see a 20% discount added on top of the 43% discount. Then, fill in your information on the right and finish the payment process. That wraps up our overview of the mockup generator in Pacdora. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.